Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I picked some more pears for the last on the tree. They were rather high up, that's why I hadn't got them first. I got the lower ones first. But these are massive. Sorry about that. So what I've decided to do is can some more pears and hope I get round to using them all. So I thought I'd bring you along today to see how I do it. And the bubbly in the background is because I'm having a canning day. So I'm going to peel these and cut them up, same as I did the other week. For pears that I didn't end up canning, I ended up freezing, and I'll then bring you back once I've got these all ready. Yes, I apologise for the noise of the stove now, because this is a working kitchen and I'm having a canning afternoon. My jars are now sterilising in the large stock pot I've got. I put a trivet in the bottom of it. Let me show you. This is a larger one I've got. I've got a smaller one that just fits in the bottom of here. So my jars are sitting on that trivet. So it'll help them not crack. I've got my saucepan at the back going, sterilising up tatler lids, because I have got a few wide mouth ones because I'm using wide mouth jars, pint jars. Thank you, Jane. I'm using 4 of those. She has sent me some metal lids, but for water bath canning I'm not sure about metal lids for water bath canning, whether they need sterilising and can you boil them for I'm not sure. So I'm just using my tatlers because I know I can boil those lids. I've put together the light syrup as per my favourite book, and that's 2 1/4 cups of sugar to 5 1/4 cups of water. It's probably going to be too much for me, but I can always, if I've got too many pears, I can always freeze the pears in this syrup. If I haven't, I can always use it to sweeten up any the wines that I'm making that are on the go that need sorting tomorrow. So I will be using all this up. So it's just slowly letting that come to the boil while these are sterilising. Water bath canner, jars, everything's sterilised now. Syrup, hot, cut up pears, and at the back is my tatler lids. I apologise for this setup, but I've got my pressure canner going there. So all I'm doing now is I've got my sugar syrup in here, like sugar water, and I'm going to ladle. Oh, I think I'll just pour them in. It's supposed to be a layer at a time. That is now my pears in there. They'll be in there for about 5 minutes to get them heated through, and then I'll jar them up. This is not conducive to working in here. Hot jar out of the canner, so it's been fully sterilised. And I'm going to put now the pears in them. I think that's possibly a bit too much. We'll see. see if I can push it down. 1/2 inch headspace. Oh, well, I could get another couple in there. Definitely going to have to wipe the rims down, which you always need to do anyway. Ladle over some hot syrup. And you want about 1/2 inch headspace. So that looks to me like possibly 1/2 inch. It's just debubble. And you can see it has gone down. So we will add some more. And that, I think, is the 1/2 inch. Yep. Of course not damp, so I've dampened it up by putting it in the water bath can, and it's hot. Very hot. So wipe around the edge. That's my dog food. That's finished. Now, as you know, I use tackle lids, and so I have got just a few wide mouth ones that and put it on a ring. Put the lid back on there, keep them warm. And as soon as I feel resistance, I stop. I don't even take it to fingertip tight, just resistance, and that seems to be enough for me. And that's now ready to go in the canner. I think I peeled 10 pears, something like that, and that's what I've got left, and syrup. So I'll probably freeze them or do something with it anyway. I will not throw it. Here are the jars in the canner, and I'm going to bring that up to boil and then process for 20 minutes. And there are the 4 jars of pears, and I've put the remaining in this plastic tub that's going to go in the refrigerator until I decide what I'm doing with it. Just to show you my work today. 8 pints of chicken stock, 8 pints of dog food, and the 4 pints of pears. 2 pints of the chicken dog food that didn't go through the canner because there wasn't enough room, and so they're going in the fridge. Is going to eat them over the next couple of days. The container of pears, and I've started cutting up green tomatoes for a chutney for tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.
It's a